And to be honest, I feel right now, after half of the training, that I was so that scientific background was so lacking, even after decades of searching through various different modalities. So this course is truly life transformative. For me, it's one of the most profound trainings I've been in my life. I've taken. It helped me to understand deeply the human psyche in myself and to understand it in the others. Which are the forces that are pulling us? How do we interact with each other? How do we dialogue within ourselves, and how do we dialogue with the world? What does it actually mean? And helped me a lot to find a way how to balance the inner and the outer world. And what Alfred was talking about a lot was that positioning, and that coming to a decision which is completely free, becoming a free human being, and that there is a sense of responsibility and a sense of freedom. So that is something that we actually dive very deeply into a lot of details in our in the modules, in the training. And it is very intense. And I can say in every single training that we've had so far, in every module was like full of aha moments from day one to now. And I cannot stress that enough, that it just develops a deep, deep understanding of oneself, and in the same way of the others as well, and opens that place of listening, of hearing, and being present in the world. So yes, I would say this is a truly empowering training, both in terms of personal development and in terms of teaching one to be very open and present for the pain of the other, the joy of the other, and becoming a therapist, which is a very in a very holistic way, not just helping others by the book, but actually helping others in a very human to human, very live contact. And therefore, I am on the road to changing my career and doing this as a huge passion of mine, which this training has actually brought to me. So thank you very much, Alfred. And I would encourage you to sign up if this is something that you feel called to do.